I'm rich. You know what I mean?
Man, I'm so happy to be on your show, and
It's
Jimmy
great
Fallon.
what do you want to tell the people? You know, you want to tell the people something? You want to plug something?
Infatuation for any particular music. I think you could appreciate a concept or a field without having an infatuation with an individual. But the higher frequency in that context is if that particular force is applied to a much higher tension. So hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say common denominator they share. What Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. So realistic when there's a disparity between or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now why are we hearing octaves? Octaves is quite a phenomenon. It turns